Hello friends! Welcome to my first English book. Today's lesson is colors. Are you ready? Let's start. This is red. Look! A red apple. Can you say red? Great job! This is yellow. The sun is yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. Can you find something yellow? You're awesome! This is blue. A blue balloon. Say it louder. Blue. That was awesome! This is green. The tree is green. Say it with me. Green. Great job! This is pink. A pink flower. Can you say pink? Wow, you said it perfectly. This is orange. A carrot is orange. Say it with me. Orange. Great job! This is purple. A purple butterfly. Say purple. You're awesome! This is brown. A brown bear. Can you say brown? Great job! This is black. A black cat. Say it with me. Black. This is gray. A gray elephant. Say it louder. Gray. You're awesome! This is white. A white rabbit. Say it with me. White. Great job! Let's review. Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. Pink. Orange. Purple. Brown. Black. Gray. White. Great job, friends! We learned colors today. See you next time. Bye bye.